In the world of fashion, a new trend is emerging. Modular clothing is revolutionizing the way we dress. Imagine having a wardrobe that adapts to your needs, where each piece can be customized and reconfigured. This is the future of fashion. Modular clothing breaks down garments into interchangeable parts. Think of it like building with Legos. But for your wardrobe, you can zip on a different sleeve, button in a new collar, or swap out the entire bottom half of your dress. This allows for endless customization and adaptability, all with a single garment. This concept isn't just about keeping up with fleeting trends. It's about creating adaptable, durable pieces that can evolve with your style and needs. Need a professional look for a meeting? Zip on a crisp collar. Heading to a party after work? Swap it for something sparkly. Modular clothing encourages us to see our clothes as investments, not disposable items. It's about building a mindful and versatile wardrobe that can stand the test of time. We all love a good shopping spree, but the fashion industry has a dirty little secret. It's a major polluter. Fast fashion, with its constant churn of cheap, trendy clothes, is a huge part of the problem. Think about the mountains of discarded clothes piling up in landfills. The toxic chemicals used in dyes and fabric treatments are polluting our water. The carbon emissions from manufacturing and shipping all those clothes are contributing to climate change. It's a grim picture. But what if we could change that? What if our clothes could be part of the solution? By designing clothes that can be easily modified and updated, we can reduce the need for constantly buying new items. It's about shifting our mindset from a throwaway culture to one of repair, reuse, and reinvention. It's about choosing quality over quantity and valuing longevity over fleeting trends. Have you ever considered the path your clothes take before they reach your wardrobe? It's a lengthy and intricate process, often hidden behind a veil of opacity. Material traceability involves knowing the source of the materials in our clothing. It's about understanding where the cotton was cultivated, where the fabric was woven, and the conditions under which the garment was made. This transparency is essential for fostering ethical and sustainable practices in the fashion industry. It helps us identify and tackle issues like exploitative labor practices, environmental harm, and the use of dangerous chemicals. Modular clothing inherently promotes a more transparent supply chain. By understanding this journey, we can make more informed choices and reduce the environmental footprint of our wardrobe. Technology is playing a key role in shaping the future of fashion. 3D printing, for instance, enables the creation of customized components and even entire garments on demand. This innovation reduces waste and allows for personalized fits and designs. Smart fabrics are another groundbreaking development. Imagine clothes that can regulate your body temperature, monitor your health, or even change color on demand. These innovations have the potential to transform not just the way we dress, but also how we interact with our clothing. But technology's influence extends beyond just garment production. Digital platforms and online marketplaces are connecting modular clothing brands with consumers, fostering a global community of conscious shoppers. These platforms provide spaces for sharing design ideas, swapping components, and even selling pre-loved modular pieces. It's a new era of collaborative consumption, where our wardrobes become interconnected and ever-evolving. Section 5. Modular clothing in action. Modular clothing is not just a concept, it's already in action. Designers are creating pieces that can be mixed and matched, allowing for endless possibilities. Take, for instance, a company called La Bella Mafia. Their clothing line features interchangeable straps, sleeves, and panels, allowing women to transform their outfits from day to night with ease. Another brand, Unbound Merino, offers a capsule wardrobe of versatile merino wool pieces that can be mixed and matched to create countless looks. Their focus on high-quality, sustainable materials underscores the brand's commitment to both style and ethics. These are just a couple of examples of the growing number of brands embracing the modularity movement. From independent designers to established fashion houses, the industry is taking notice of the potential of modular clothing to revolutionize the way we dress. This is fashion that adapts to you. Section 6. Modular clothing and circularity. The circular economy aims to keep resources in use for as long as possible, reducing waste and pollution. It shifts away from the traditional linear model of take, make, dispose, towards a more regenerative approach. Modular clothing aligns seamlessly with this circular model. Designing garments with interchangeable parts significantly extends their lifespan. When a component wears out or falls out of fashion, it can be easily replaced or updated, avoiding the need to discard the entire garment. Additionally, using durable, high-quality materials in modular clothing ensures these pieces can endure multiple cycles of use and be disassembled for recycling at the end of their life. By designing clothes that can be easily repaired, reused, and recycled, we can reduce waste and create a more sustainable fashion industry. This emphasis on longevity and resource efficiency is crucial for fostering a more sustainable and responsible fashion industry. Section 7. The future of fashion. Modular and mindful. The future of fashion is about more than just following trends. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both people and the planet. Modular clothing, with its focus on versatility, durability, and ethical production, encourages us to think creatively and sustainably. Imagine a world where our wardrobes are filled with adaptable, long-lasting pieces that spark joy every time we wear them. Imagine a world where fashion is no longer synonymous with waste and pollution, but with creativity, innovation, and responsibility. This is the promise of modular clothing, making fashion a force for good and a future worth striving for. Section 8. Beyond the seams. Embrace conscious consumption. It's time to embrace conscious consumption. By choosing modular clothing, we can make a positive impact on the environment and lead the way towards a more sustainable future. Let's challenge ourselves to think differently about the clothes we buy and wear. Let's embrace the concept of modularity, not just in our wardrobes, but in our approach to consumption as a whole. Let's choose quality over quantity, durability over disposability, and style that's built to last. Join the movement and be a part of the change.